Everyone, welcome back to Draw for Fun with Kevin. I promised you guys a Roadrunner drawing, so we're going to do that today. I'm not going to do the one that I showed, though. If you guys want that, I could definitely do one. We could do a bunch of them. But I want to do a little more interesting one, is that of the Roadrunner actually running, since he's a Roadrunner. Okay, so let's do a fun little drawing here of him, and get your paper and pencil, and we'll begin. All right. I'm going to start off by making an eye, so we have a reference point of where to start everything. Right? So draw a big oval like that, and right down here, color in a nice little pupil. Okay. Now right from there, we're going to draw his beak. Make a line out like that, come down, and up pretty high, and then just do that. Okay, now we're coming back up here to his eye. Alright, we're about here. We're going to take that line, we're going to follow it down, and then touch what we just met. Alright, what we just drew. Okay, good. Now what we got to do is, I guess that would be his crest, or whatever you would call that. We're going to come up. The feathers on his head. Okay, we're going to draw a hook. Now right from here, follow that up, give it a little point, another little feather, another little feather, and come back to here. Okay, now right from there we're going to draw a little U, and then we're going to do another set. Come down, make a bump, another big feather, a bump, and come back to here. Look like them already, right? Okay, from here, I'm going to come down and draw the rest of his head until we connect to his beak. Okay, we got his face done. A little bit of an eyebrow, maybe. Alright. Now what we're going to do is start his neck. So, I'm going to draw a line just like that. Come up to here, draw another line. Not too wide, he's got a long skinny neck, okay? Good. Now what we're going to do is take that neck and make his body. Alright. So right from here, we're just going to draw a line like that. Come up to the other part. Right, and we're going to come up and over. When we get to here, we're going to make a wing. So just do that. Now, from that wing, we're going to make this wing come back and touch just like that. Okay. Now, underneath the wing, about here, right, we're going to come down and draw a line like that, because we have to make his leg. Hold on a minute, I have to sharpen my pencil. Oh. Sorry about that. My fingers are always dirty, and I always have from rubbing pencils, and but I like to draw with pencil first. Okay. Where were we? We're doing his leg, so we have a line here. Okay. What we're going to do is start at the top of that, come up, and draw a line down. Alright, now right here at the bottom, don't mind this line here. Alright, we want to stay right here. Alright, we're going to come over, and then we're going to come down, just like that. Okay, so this should be up and over. Might have gone a little high there. Okay, because we want this to attach his leg. There we go. And we'll fix his little wing there. Alright, remember, he's going to be running, so we're going to extend that. He's got huge, huge feet, the Roadrunner does. So we're going to take this a little step further. We're going to finish off this foot while we're here. Alright, we're going to draw a line up, come down like that. Alright, now from there, I'm going to go over, up, and draw a big toe, and come down. Alright, now we got to draw his other toe. So we're going to bring that all the way back until we touch. Right, now he has little claws on his feet, so we're going to do a couple of claws there. And that's one leg. Right? Now what he also has coming, he's going to be running this way obviously. What he also has is one big tail, so we're going to draw a big hooking line right here. Right? Just like that. See how long that tail is? Right? So what we're going to do is take it all the way to about here, and then should extend about that far. Now, once we get to there, we're going to come down a little bit with a bump. Okay? I'm going to bring it up, make another bump, make another bump. Okay? Not that bad, not that hard. Right? And it doesn't have to look exact either. Alright? So make it a little animated on the way back. Give it some movement. And then we're just going to attach it right here to that wing. Okay? Good. Now all we got to do is make his other leg and his foot, and we're good. Alright, then we can color him in. Alright, so from here, on his body, what you're going to do is start about here, right under that wing. Alright, and we're going to draw his other leg. We're going to go like that. Come back up. Alright, come down and touch. Now right here at the bottom, we're going to bend his knee at the elbow because his leg's going to shoot out, so we're going to just draw an L there. It's going to be out in front of him pretty good. Draw a little line there. Now we're going to shoot this straight out. Keep going, keep going. Okay, see that? I'm just going straight here. Alright. Now once you get to here, we're going to come down, draw a toe, and back, and then on the top, you want to make another toe. Okay? He's really stretched that leg out, okay? Because he's booking here. He's running like crazy, right? So we're going to come down here, give him another toe, and then come up. And don't forget, we got to add those little toenails. There's one. There's two. Well, that's kind of a toenail, huh? I never draw perfect either. You know, it's always practice. Now, right from here, all we have left is to attach that the foot here. So we're going to bring that down and attach it to this elbow here. Now we have our Roadrunner. Okay, let's get some markers and color him in. See what he looks like. His colors are usually blue and gray and orange, except for his beak is kind of yellow. Okay? Okay, I got my colors on him. He's running, put a little puff of smoke behind him. Left the coyote in the dust in this pic. So that's the Roadrunner. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys in the next video. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. This is Kevin for Draw for Fun with Kevin. See you in the next video. Bye-bye now.